Hey curious minds! Have you ever wondered how new blocks are created on blockchain and where to see its details? Ready to explore? Let's dive into the fascinating world of blockchain. Whenever a transaction is mined on blockchain, a block is created with certain data like epoch, parent hash, timestamp, nonce, gas price, etc. Blockchain mining is like a digital race where miners use their powerful computers to solve tough puzzles. The puzzles that need to be solved is called a proof of work algorithm and adds a new block to the blockchain. It's a crucial part of how blockchain works and keeps everything secure and trustworthy. Once a miner has solved the POV algorithm, they creates a new block containing the validated transactions along with the hash of previous block and a unique nonce. This new block is then broadcast to the network and the other nodes in the network verify the block's validity. Let's see where we can find details about blocks. The blocks which are mined on XDCNetwork can be seen on our BlocksScan's Explorer. To view all the blocks, click on Blockchain and then View Blocks in the navbar, or scroll down and click on View all the blocks in the latest blocks section. Here you can see all the blocks. To explore the details of a particular block, click on any block number, for example this one. These are the details of this particular block. Height, it refers to the block height or block number in the blockchain. It represents the sequential position of a particular block within the blockchain. Epoch, in the XDC network, an epoch is a specific time period during which a set of blocks is created. Timestamp, it indicates the exact time at which a transaction or block was created or added to the XDC network. Transactions, this represents the number of transactions this block contains. Hash, the transaction hash is a unique identifier that represents a specific transaction on a XDC network. It is generated through a cryptographic process. Parent hash, it refers to the hash of the previous block in the blockchain. Each block in the XDC network contains the hash of the block that comes before it, creating a chain of blocks. Hence, the term blockchain. Validated by. This indicates the entity or validator responsible for validating and adding the block containing the transaction to XDC network. Finality. In the XDC network, finality represents the level of confidence or certainty that a transaction or block is permanently recorded and cannot be altered or reversed. Size. The size of a transaction refers to the amount of data it occupies on the blockchain. It is typically measured in bytes and includes the transaction details, metadata, and etc. Gas used. Gas is the computational unit in the XDC network that determines the cost of executing transactions and running smart contracts. Gas limit. Gas limit is the maximum amount of gas allowed for executing a transaction or running a smart contract. It defines the upper limit for computational resources allocated to a particular transaction. Extra data. Extra data refers to additional information that can be included in transaction. It can be used to provide supplementary details or metadata associated with the transactions. So that's it for the video. Thank you. Stay connected for more such videos.